Welcome to class 5th, Wonderful World of Bolu. Previous lesson, we have completed our district. That PDF I will send you soon after this lecture or with this lecture. If you have any queries, you can call me through the phone of the school number allotted on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In the wonderful world of Bolu, Bolu is gone for a walk by a pond today and suddenly Bolu is looking at the fish and he is saying to Mintu that please come and play with me. The fish name was Mintu. Fish is saying, I cannot come out there. You come into water to play with me. Bolu said, I cannot come into the water. Fish said, I cannot come out of water. Bolu said, why? Then fish replied that it can't breathe on land. Bolu replied that likewise I cannot also respire in water. Then fish said, one has its own place of living. Dear children, from this we can come to know that we have our living habits. We can survive in land while other animals, creatures survive in water. Fish survive in water. Some can survive in both. They are called amphibians. Table is given. Then Bolu goes to Chinchi Squirrel. Then she asked, Chinchi Squirrel, are you fine over there? Would you please come down to play with me? Squirrel said, yes, certainly. Bolu, can you get down from the tree and live on the land? Squirrel said, why not? I can live on land also. I can make nest on the tree. Bolu said, wow, you are very good. See, Mintu fish tells that it cannot live in water only. Squirrel said, it is true about the fish. She can live in water as the water is home for it. Bolu said, so can you not live in water? Squirrel said, no Bolu, I cannot live in water. We live on land, so we cannot breathe in water, hence we cannot live in water. Which are the other animals like Chinchi Squirrel, which live on the land only, which cannot survive in the water? That we have to note down in the table. Bolu walked ahead and he met Duckbuck Tortoise. Bolu said, oh, Duckbuck, where are you going? Tortoise said, it is too hot here, Bolu. I shall go into the pond and take rest there. It would give me relief from the heat. Bolu, you walk on land? Then how can you live in water? Tortoise said, can I not live in the water? Bolu said, Chinchi tells that those who live on land cannot live in water. Tortoise said, Chinchi, it is correct, but there are some exceptional animals like me which can live both on land and water. In the terminology of science, it is called amphibians. Higher classes, you have to study more about it. Table is given. In the table, you can note down tortoise, alligator. There are many creatures. Water snake also. Then, while Bolu was walking ahead brooding, he met Kitu pigeon on the way. Pigeon said, hey, are you fine, Bolu? Where are you going? Bolu, how may I say? I am confused. Pigeon said, what is the confusion? Bolu said, see, the fish says that she can live in water only. Likewise, tell the squirrel that she can live only on land, not in water. But Duckbuck Tortoise claims that it can live both in water and on land. Pigeon said, there is nothing to get confused with, Bolu. Some walk on land, some fly in the sky, some may walk and swim as well. Bolu said, where do you live? Do you walk or swim? Pigeon said, see dear, I am flying the bird and come on the ground to pick grains. I usually live in the nest which I make the hollows of well houses a wall. Note the birds that fly and which are living around us. We can note down many: pigeon, squirrel, myna, parrot. There are many animals which live on surrounding to us. Friends, we will continue our second session with more interactions in this lesson. Till then, thank you.